So what we're doing here, we're measuring efficiencies and power from multiple places in the EV powertrain. And we're trying to minimize energy consumption.
Hi, I'm Joel Frankie. I'm here at the Battery Show at EV Tech Expo in Detroit. And I'm here with Jose from Yokogawa. Hey,
Hello.
Jose.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You're an applications engineer, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you've got the WT5000 and the DL950. How do these products improve powertrain validation and energy efficiency?
Yeah. So our WT5000 is our power analyzer, and it's purposely built to validate and benchmark electric vehicle power system to accuracy standards. So what we're doing here, we're measuring efficiencies and power from multiple places in the EV powertrain, and we're trying to minimize energy consumption.
Okay, great. So, and then can you explain how Yokogawa's tools support EV charging system testing from broad to full system to ensure compliance and performance?
Yeah, so with the WT5000, we're able to measure efficiency as well as power. But then we have our DO950 scope coder, which is our modular oscilloscope, and it's also a data acquisition platform. So with the DO950, engineers can analyze the waveforms in multiple components of an EV powertrain, so they can better understand their signals.
Okay, excellent. The DL950, how does that with the MT1 option help optimize motor control using strengths like maximum torque per ampere?
Yeah, so the DL950, it has isolated inputs and it has advanced math capabilities through hardware. So it has built-in DSPs that allow us to do, for example, rotor position through bringing your sensor signal as well as other parameters such as FOC, Fiorente control parameters. So once you have the ID and IQ parameters from the DO950, you can trend them together and you can get to do MTBA testing.
Okay, great. Can you share, how your new SL2000 scope quarter, the features like stacking, GPS tracking, high-speed sampling, is elevating EV testing capabilities?
Yeah, so our SL2000 unit is similar to the DO950. It's also a modular oscilloscope and a high-speed data acquisition system. And it's built in, it has a form factor purposely designed to be rack mountable and be used in ATE system, automated testing systems. So with that, you can just have analyzed waveforms in your setup by just having a rack, a complete solution together.
Okay. So now I don't have any more questions, but is there anything else you'd like to tell our engineering audience about?
Yeah, so we have multiple tools, application notes, library resources, videos in our website available where we explain different applications in the EV world. So MTBA testing, Fiorente control, that can be all accessed in our website. Yeah, so you can contact us or you can go to our website, tmi.yokogawa.com.
Okay.
You can fill out
all those resources there.
Exactly.
All right. Well, thank you very much.